Hey guys, welcome to my walkthrough of Pokemon Heart Gold. As you can see, that's Professor Oak. Yeah. That's an area. Okay, are you a boy or a girl? I'm a boy. Yes, I will tell you my name. I'll just do my initials. OJ. I'll see you later too. I'm in my room. Okay, we go down. Hey, it's my mom. Like always, in every Pokemon game, it's always your mom. What a coincidence. Okay, so we go here. Mom, Professor Elm wants you at his lab, and your mom will give you all this stuff: trainer card, bag, save, all the basic stuff you need. Now, do like me, the bottom screen will say select slow, medium, or fast. Pick fast and then go confirm. Okay. So we go to Professor Elm's lab. Hey, it's a Mario, like Professor Oak showed us. Now, who's this? Okay, this is random. Just a girl with her Mario. That's random. Hey, who's this dude? Hey, man. Okay. Anger issues there, ain't there? So, Professor Elm's lab. Have you been waiting for me? Oh. Have you? Okay. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. I hate this. Yay, I get to choose Pokemon. Oops, sorry. Which one shall I choose? Turdile, Cyndaquil, Chikorita. I'll choose a Cyndaquil because Cyndaquil's awesome. Better. Cool. Yeah. Nah, I hate getting nicknames. Nicknames are stupid. I know. It's alright, but I hate nicknames. Yeah. Now, I have to go to Cherry Grove City. Hey, dude, what do you want? Potions. Awesome, man. I want to buy something from the Pokemon. Wait. It's that creepy girl again. With her Mario. Okay. I should go talk to my mom. You don't get to tell me what. Yeah, guys, this is it for our first walkthrough. And check out next walkthrough, number 2. And, yeah. Are you a Poke Freak? Bye.